Chloe.
Hi, Daddy.
Welcome to another episode of
Cooking with Chloe.
Chloe, do you know what we're making today?
San Xian.
Yeah, San Xian. This is a great dish. It translates to the three treasures of the earth. And it has three main ingredients. What are they? What's this?
A potato. Mr. Potato.
Mr. Potato. Whoa.
And Mr. What?
I don't know. What are these?
Mr. Jiao.
辣椒. This is pepper. Yep.
And Mr. Eggplant.
Eggplant. Yeah, these are Chinese eggplants. What else do we need? We're gonna need some.
Mr. Garlic.
Mm-hmm.
And some Mr. Ginger.
Mm-hmm.
And some Mr. Green Onion.
Awesome. You ready to get started? All right.
Wash all your vegetables. Cut all your vegetables on the diagonal. This is the common cutting style in Chinese cuisine. Put your potatoes and eggplant into water so they don't turn brown. Get your ginger, garlic, and green onion ready. This green onion came out of our garden. Put several tablespoons of oil in a pan. This dish needs a lot of oil because it's the eggplant. Fry your potatoes first because they take the longest to cook. Cook for about 2.5 minutes. Then add your peppers. Add your ginger and garlic. That is putting in soy sauce, dark soy, cayenne spice base, and some sugar. Now you could add in your eggplant. Mix it around and then cover. Add in your green onion. Taste it to make sure it has the right flavor. I think it's ready to eat.
Chloe, it's ready. You want to try it?
I'll try the rice.
I know you like rice. Do you want to try some of the San Xian?
Try some too.
Okay, I will. Give you some peppers, eggplant, and some potato.
No.
What's for Daddy?
I don't like pepper.
You don't like peppers?
No.
What about potatoes?
I like it.
You like potatoes? Why don't you try the potato?
Is it hot?
Let me see. No, it's good.
Is mine
It's good to go.
Mine hot. Mine is hot.
Give it a try.
I'm new. I'll put that on my nose.
How is it?
Good.
Good. Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you have something you want to see us make, just let us know. And
What is this?
that is eggplant.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Baba 很调皮，你看你才调。